Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make a new Gmail account once you are logged in from Gmail. So this is our Gmail account. From here, we just want to press on our name and then we just want to press on add another account. And since we don't have another account, we just want to press on create for myself. And then we just want to add our first name, which is Idea Tech in caps. And then for our username, we can do tech idea 39408. As you know, our previous one was 39407. And for the password, we can put in something simple that we can remember. And then we just want to go next. Once you go next, this is phone number is optional, so you don't need to put that in. Just put in our date, month, year, gender. You can just put in whatever. I'd rather not say, and then just press on next and agree. And once you press on agree, it's gonna load for a bit. Wait for it to finish uploading, and that's it. You have just made another new account, a new Gmail account. And now if I press on this, well, not on this, now if I press on this, this is my default, and this is both of the accounts are gonna be right there for you to use. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.